Welcome to a video from thisLifestyle.com. In this video we've got two builds to look at. We've got 25915 for the Canary channel and we've got 23511 for the Dev channel. A couple of interesting things to show in this in these builds. So let's start with the Canary one. This is 25915 and this gains all the features that I've shown in previous build videos for the Dev channel, particularly the last few ones around File Explorer, with the modern version of File Explorer, which has got the shifted navigation bar up here, the shifted search, gallery, these previews, and also it's also got the new modern details pane on there as well. So this is the new version of File Explorer. You can check out my previous videos on the thisLifestyle.com for the Dev build and you'll see that, but that's got there. Also in here is passwordless improvements and some other things from the Dev channel. So the Mail app is being replaced with the Outlook app, and that's an inbox. So this is, if you set up a new machine, you would just get the Outlook and the Mail app is no longer included in there. There's a couple of fixes with this build. They fixed some graphics refresh rates and the dynamic refresh rates, and there's just the two known issues that if you're on the Canary channel with an ASUS device, you might not you now get the builds you wouldn't have done in the past, so that's a fix for it. And Ethernet connected device no longer lose their settings or connectivity after installing the build. So I did find that you had to disable and re-enable the card, but that hasn't happened with these builds. So that's the Canary channel. They don't always post all the details in that. We've got a few more details on 23511 for the Dev channel. There's a few interesting things on this one. This is the one that builds that's got Copilot in, which is the AI assistant. If you've got an Active Directory joined machine, an AAD joined machine as your Active Directory, this will no longer be available. I think they're going to manage that through the policies and things like that. So another change, all the system components should have, let's have a look, a system label to them now. Now this is just rolling out, so we may not see this yet. So no, we don't see that yet. But that'll be any of the system tools that will have a system label associated with them. You see the little blue bell down in the corner? That's 12 notifications. That is the new notification method to show you you've got active notifications. This is the old style with the number on there, and then you hover over it. On this one you can hover over it and it'll show you the number. So we lose the number count badge. I'm not quite sure whether I prefer just the number or not. I suppose it doesn't really matter, just to show you that there's no notifications. So we might see the new couple of things. We might see the new start page in settings. No, I don't see that, but they are going to start to roll that out again. So this is like a summary page you get on settings. I did show this a few builds ago. They've fixed some issues with copying large files with the 7-zip or RAR files. They fixed some notifications and they fixed some Explorer EXE crashes. So I'm just going to look at what the new known issues are with these builds. So there's a new known issue that Explorer EXE is crashing on the login screen. When you're attempting to enter safe mode, I haven't tried that. Some apps may be incorrectly labeled system. Well, we didn't see any labeled as system on here, so we haven't seen that one. And your desktop may go blank and you have to refresh it. I haven't seen that issue either, but everything seems fine on there. So those are the new known issues with those builds. So those are the main changes I wanted to show you with this build, 23511 and 25915. This Dev channel is getting all the features. Now the Canary channel is kind of catching up, so that's good to see. So thanks for watching this video. I'll have a lot more on our YouTube channel on the thisLifestyle.com.